By the end of the video, we will know about Pike push-up workout, how to do. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fantastic workout that will not only tone your arms, but also help you master the perfect push-up. I'm talking about the Pike push-up workout, so let's get started. Maximize your gains with Dimetize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder with quality ingredients and delicious flavors. Fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. Firstly, find a solid surface like a wall or a bench. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart on the surface. Now, lower yourself down into a push-up position, ensuring your arms are straight. Next, perform 10 standard push-ups with perfect form. When you're ready to move on to the Pike portion of this workout, bring your feet closer to the surface until your legs are fully extended. Your body should now resemble an upside-down V shape. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Now comes the fun part. Keeping your core engaged and legs straight. Lower yourself into a piking motion by bending your elbows and bringing your head closest to your knees. Make sure to maintain good form throughout this exercise. No swaying or using your legs for extra support. Once you're in the piked position, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds before returning to the starting push-up position. Repeat this process for 10 reps. Trust me, this exercise will not only strengthen and tone those arms, but also improve overall mobility in no time. So there you have it, folks. The Pike push-up workout to help you perfect those push-ups and tone up those arms. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.